So what is up nga na naman, it's your boy to be back at it again at playing Fears to Phantom naman, Home Alone. Ito ay natagpuan na naman natin sa Steam, ang horror game kung saan ang episode na to ay marami. So let's get started. Zek! Fears to Phantom, Home Alone, July 12. I don't even know where to start. Excuse my lack of good storytelling skills. Okay. So, ayun nga, storytelling. Galing to sa Reddit. Okay, I guess I'll just start. It was the middle of the summer. My parents had left for that weekend due to a work trip, which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Also, I feel like I do have to mention that my sleep schedule was really messed up around this time. I would sleep and get up just about any time of the day. Though I didn't plan on fixing that. Okay, nagigising ka agad. Wow. Ano yun? I woke up at around 8 after a nap that evening. Oh, nice bed, man. Okay. Dito tayo sa bahay na to. So, what is up? Okay, umagang kay ganda. Ang gagawin natin po. I did have homework that night but I was too hungry to do it right after waking up. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, mom. Wait, when are you guys coming back? Dan and I are gonna be back on Monday, honey. Didn't I tell you that yesterday? Cool. Take care, honey. Sleep on time. I hope you get the Xbox like you promised. I mean, if you get that discount, can I invite Mason and Josh over for the night from work? Of course you can. Call me if you need anything. Make sure to check it's them on the door before opening it. Check through the blinds. Take care, honey. Sure thing, mom. Dad, and I may be back by Sunday evening. Why are you being so paranoid? Mom, I'm 14. Hindi. Kahit 14 ka, mag-aalala pa rin magulang mo, awa na lang. Think I'm gonna take a little nap. Probably gonna order some pizzas, yes. No need to order anything. I already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Wow. Okay. Then, Mason Oliver. Yo. Are you coming to Jessica tomorrow? Yeah, I heard Josh coming too. What about you? I don't know what's wrong. Weren't you gonna see her yesterday? She didn't show up. It's like I don't even matter to her. You matter. Ooh! Unless you multiply yourself by the speed of light squared, then your energy. I guess I'm then. How's Kem? Yeah, crap, I totally forgot. Probably gonna do tonight. Lol, same. My parents are out for the night. Wanna come over? We can play Mario Kart too. I'll let you know. Okay, I'll call Josh too. I can promise, dude. May I have plans with that? Okay. Hindi pupunta si Josh. So, malungkot tayo sa bahay na ito. Wow. So, sabi, check the fridge sa lasagna. Ito ang lasagna. Food was cold. Okay. Saan na pupunta? Ito pala yung microwave. Bumikot pa ako. Yawa. Agay. Microwave ba? Walang microwave. Ito. Food was heating up. Yep. Food was literally heating up, man. Come on. Bubuksan ba to? Ganun lang. Hindi na bubuksan yung blinds. Oh, ganun lang. Okay. Ayan na ang lasagna, luto ni Mami. Food was nice and hot. I like watching TV while I ate. Okay. Ito na ang lasagna at manonood tayo TV. Oy. Para namang jumpscare yan, yawa. Okay, nood tayo TV. Sheesh! Di umano ang multo na nasa puno ay tinitignan ang isang tao na isa palang pulis na mayroong hawak na apoy. Tinatranslate ko na papanood ko. At meron din silang barikada. At inakyat ito ng tao at nakita niya ang isang tao din. At nag-blur ang kanyang paningin at nagbago ang anyo. Wait lang, tama yung ano. Okay. Nag-splash ang water. Paano ba kumain? Ay, kumakain pala naman dapat. Sorry. Okay, ang ganda na palabas eh. Sorry na. Uy, gagi, ano yun? Sino yung umakyat? Feel ko talaga may umakyat eh. May umakyat sa hagdan. Gagi naman. Wait lang. Ba't ganun? Parang may umakyat sa hagdan. Grabe, ang ingay niya kumain. Wait lang. Ubusin ko ba yung pagkain ko? Diyos ko naman, parang may umakyat eh. Ayan na. I was already feeling very sleepy. Okay. Mason Oliver. We're gonna have to call it off, man. Something just came up. But you're gonna come to Jessica tomorrow. Nah. Ito, kailangan natin tong itapon. Ayun, sa tamang hugasan. Yan. Out of there! Naantok na daw siya. Kailangan natin. I'm sorry, Miles. Gonna see you tomorrow. Okay. Ano yun? I remember I had the homework to do before going to bed again. Okay. Gagawa tayo ng assignment. Nakakamiss lang talaga maging estudyante. 12:38 a.m. I got done with the homework for the day in about few hours. Okay, Mom. Don't stay up too late, you kids. I shouldn't get to hear from Mrs. Paula this time. Don't forget the camp too. Chill out, dude. All good. I'll probably just go back to bed after the camp. Okay. Tutulog na tayo. 1:16 a.m. I got up to get some water. Water it is. Tubig. Ay, ba tayo dyan sa living room yan? Ito na. Tubig. Saan tayo kukuha ng tubig? Gulp. Meron pa ba yung tubig, man? Okay na. Ano, gusto mo pa ba ng isa? Ayan. Okay. Gulp. Meron. Ano naman, nagbubukas lang to. Okay, tapos na yun sa tubig. Check na natin yung buong bahay, gag. Mag-isa lang tayo eh. Main, debug mode. Patayin natin yan, man. Mamatay. Ano meron? Okay, matutulog pa rin tayo. Let's go. Oh. Miles, who's at the door? Uy, gogi. Oh my God! Yes! Sino nasa pinto? Sino yan nasa pinto? Mom? Where'd you get this photo from? Paolo sent me. He said he's been creeping through the window. We're calling the cops. Ay! So I tried to peek through the blinds. He looked straight at me. Okay. I felt my heart skip a bit. Loud. Alert NPCs. Look back there and he was gone. Okay. Dito sa back dock. Wala. Nice. Paul simply, don't answer the door no matter what he does. Yes, we're calling the cops. Sige po. Thank you po, Miss Paula. My God. Kit na ba ako? Kit na ako ah. Okay, tulog na. Ano nangyayari? What? Uy, oh, hell no, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just hide. It's Paula at the door. Someone broke in, ma'am. Doon pala nagtago ako! Oh my God, I'm dead! Hindi tayo pwede doon. Okay, mali. Okay, take two. Tingnan ko talaga may umakyat eh. Ito ba yun? Wala talaga. Don't answer the door. Okay po. Ayan na. Don't hide at your room, man! Come on! Don't do anything stupid. Ayun lang daw gagawin. Tubig, ayan. Nandiyan. Okay, hide. Click to hide. Okay. Tatago na ako. Okay. Dito tayo ulit. Oh shit. Ayan na talaga? It's Paula at the door. Nagtatago ako. Fuck that, man. Can't against it, man. Come on. Who is he? Do you hear her? Help! Oh my God, man. Tatago ako. Fuck that shit, man. Just fucking hide, man. Yes, hide, man. Come on. Andyan na yung mga police. I came by guy. Okay? Survived to the first episode. What? Nahuli na ba? Yun. Doon? Nahuli ba? Nahuli? Hello, Miss Paula! Oh my God! Okay, so that's probably it. So, yun, nahuli yung salagin. Sa wakas, ligtas siya. Thank God, man. Kaya, hindi porket pag sinabing home alone, ligtas ka na. Diyos ko. Always double check yung security, man. Don't confident over yourself. Come on. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and buzz out. Zip!